Want to secure your Wise account? Let's enable two-factor authentication. First, open the Wise app and log into your account. Now, here at the top right corner, you can see your profile icon. Tap on it and your settings will open. Scroll down a little and tap on Security and Privacy. Here, you will see an option called Two-Factor Authentication. Tap on it and choose how you want to receive verification codes, either via SMS or email or Authenticator app. If you pick an Authenticator app like Google Authenticator, scan the QR code and enter the 6-digit code displayed. On setup, Wise will require a verification code every time you log in or make a transaction, keeping your account safe. If you lose access to your two-factor authentication method, use your backup codes or contact Wise support. Do you use two-factor authentication for all your accounts? Let us know in the comments below. Now your Wise account is extra secure. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.